Hey guys, my name is Patience and welcome to Sew with Pepper. So in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how I made this drawstring top with fishnet material. So if this is something you might want to learn, stick with me through this video. So I started by folding my fabric into four. So I'll be cutting both the front and the back together. So I'll be taking my measurements. I'll be taking my shoulder to my bust point, my shoulder to my half length, and my shoulder to my full length, and I'll be adding 2 inches allowance. So the full length of this top I used 30 and I added 2 inches for the allowance. So after that I measured my shoulder plus my sleeve length, so I measured it together. So sorry, the camera couldn't get to that very point. So I came down for my sleeve opening and I came down from my shoulder to 8 inches. And after that I took my round neck, I went in by 4 inches and I also came down by 4 inches. So I'm using 4 by 4. And after that I connected the lines and I gave it a curve. So the front and the back neckline is going to be the same. So after that, for my chest or my bust measurements, I divided my bust divide by 4 and I added 3 inches allowance because I wanted it to be very free. So I came to my full length. I'll be using my hip measurements, and I also added my hip measurement plus my 3 inches allowance. So I'll just connect it straight. I did not take my waist measurements. I just did only my bust and then my full length, which I used my hip measurement. And after that I went ahead to cut. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It is totally free, so you can be notified when next time I'll upload the video. And you also give this video a thumbs up and also leave a beautiful comment below. Thank you. So this is what it looks like after cutting. So I'll be using the bias to turn our neckline. So I'll be turning my neckline with the use of a bias. So I'll just go over to the sewing machine now and do that. So after turning the neckline, this is how it looks like. It's looking so beautiful and neat. So I went ahead to join the shoulders. And I'll also be turning the sleeve with that same bias I used for the neck. So I also went ahead to turn the sleeve also with the bias I used for the neck. Look at how it is. It's looking very neat. After which I'll be going ahead also to join the side. So I'll be joining the side with just 1 inch. So before joining the sides, I had to hem the down part of the top. So I folded it with the allowance I used. That was before joining the side. So after joining the side, I'll be marking where my drawstring will start. So it will be starting on my half length, which is 16. I used 16. So shoulder, I just measured shoulder to 16 inches and I marked for both sides. So that is where I'll be putting that's where my drawstring is going to start for my half length. So I'll be doing the same thing to the other side. So now after that I'll be folding in that allowance I sewed for the side. I'll be folding it one side to the other side, folding it down, and I'll be sewing them down. Watch closely to see what I'm doing. I'll just fold it down and I'll stitch them down. So after stitching the both sides down, I'll be passing my rope from the other side. When I pass the other side, I'll bring it out because I did not stitch the other one, and I'll now pass it to the other side again. I'll do the same thing to the other side. I hope you can see how. So now I'm done passing my ropes to the both sides. You can see them. So you see how it is. Look, our drawstring is ready. You just tie it. See the other side also. Look how beautiful it is. So it's very simple, very simple. our top came out looking so beautiful. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the subscription button and do not forget to give this video a like. See you in my next video. Bye.